So, starting with the ingredients, we first have corns, then we have some breads, some chopped carrots, some chopped capsicum.
We are so sorry that we are using normal bread loaf as we couldn't get the garlic bread loaf as we are having shortage due to coronavirus. So kindly
Chopped onions. We will be using Amul cheese and butter. You can use any kind of cheese and butter of whatever brand you want. Then we have the green chutney. Then we will have 1 bowl of milk. We'll be needing some black pepper, some oregano and some chili flakes. So now we are making white sauce, and for that we will need 1 tablespoon of butter in a preheat pan. So the intensity of butter should be this. Then we will add maida flour according to our requirement. I am adding 2 tablespoons of maida and then I'll stir it with the butter. Now as we can see that the mixture has taken a liquid form which bubbles out, and then we'll add milk. But be careful before adding milk that the intensity of the mixture should be this thick only. The mixture is boiling out, so we will add some cheese into that. We'll also add some more butter for our taste convenience. Some salt as per our taste. Now guys, see, the intensity of the mixture should be like this, and our white sauce is ready. And some oregano, black pepper. Now stir the mixture well. A spoon of the chili flakes. Now guys, it's the time of our chopped vegetables to enter into our delicious sauce. So we are toasting the breads. So for that we will apply butter on both sides. You can use ghee for your convenience. Now we are toasting the breads in a preheated oven. Now as you can see, the bread is being toasted with this gorgeous brown color. We need to fill in the white sauce paste and the chutney in that. So for that we'll apply chutney in one toast. Now we'll apply the paste here. We'll sprinkle some cheese. So now we'll again heat the toast for 10 minutes and at 100 degrees Celsius. So now as we can see that our delicious bruschettas are ready.